In a lush green forest, where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived a small cicada named Cicero, who loved the warm summer breeze. But one day, as autumn leaves began to fall, Cicero heard his elders whisper of a time when they would call. "The time has come, dear Cicero, for you to join us underground, where we'll rest and grow for many years, not a sound to be found. But now, my friend, it's time to heed this ancient, age-old care." Cicero, young and energetic, didn't want to rest and hide. He craved the sun and the life that the summertime provided. But his wise friend Cassandra gave him advice so sound. "Soon, you'll see the wisdom in our grounded, humble hound." So Cicero dug a hole and hid away from the light. Beneath the earth, he slept on a cold, quiet night. Years passed, and seasons came and went, until the warmth of spring brought Cicero back from his mental tent. He emerged to find a forest grown, with trees much taller now, and the sun shone brighter, casting shadows on the ground below. Cicero, now older, felt a strength that he'd never known. His time in the earth had given him a power to grow. He began to sing a beautiful, powerful song, a melody that echoed through the branches, where birds took flight and carried it along. The creatures of the forest gathered, amazed by his song so bold. His voice resonated with the wisdom that only time could hold. In that moment, Cicero understood, his time beneath the earth had been no waste, for it had given him the strength and wisdom needed to face the challenges of life with grace and poise, and to share the gift of his song with those who would rejoice. So remember, dear friends, that there may be times when we must rest, when we must step away from the sun and let life pass. But when we rise again, stronger and wiser, we'll find our way through the challenges of life, come what may. Moral: embrace the wisdom that time and rest can bring, for it is in those quiet moments that we truly learn to sing.